like the strawberry milk.
Bumbo clap. Wagwan. The grill.
Yeah.
Try it like that with no sauce. Medium rare. Wow. Again, with no sauce. Let's eat. A little salt. Medium rare. Wow. What was that meat? The one that you had like cut it like in square? What was that? I just ate it. I can't. That raw. Yeah, that thing was mind blowing. Japanese barbecue, Japanese grill, something like that. Man, the meat, so fresh. Big up, fresh. Big up to my brother-in-law. Big up. Tim, big up to you. Thank you, sir.
The meat cooking's okay? You guys okay with the how
Yep.
the meat's cooking out?
Yeah, perfect, man. You know what you're doing.
Thanks.